Joseph Ignace Guillotine, the 28th of May, 1738, the 26th of March, 1814, was a French physician, politician, and Freemason who proposed on the 10th of October, 1789, the use of a device to carry out executions in France as a less painful method of execution than existing methods. When the rope was released, the guillotine swiftly descended, causing the head to separate from the body and fall to the ground. This entire execution process transpired in a mere 0.7 seconds. It is for this reason that the guillotine was devised. The method of beheading employed by the guillotine is highly efficient, ensuring a swift demise for the condemned individual. It may be difficult to fathom, but prior to the advent of the guillotine, the technical demands of beheading were exceedingly stringent. Only a select few executioners possessed the skill to sever the head with a single stroke. If one were not cautious, multiple strikes would be required, resulting in a protracted and agonizing death for the prisoner. Two crucial technologies contribute to the efficiency and precision of the guillotine. Firstly, the blade must possess a beveled edge, as a flat-edged blade is incapable of achieving a clean severance. This principle is akin to that of a beveled utility knife. Secondly, the guillotine itself must possess sufficient weight. Although the blade of the guillotine weighs a mere 7 kilograms, the addition of a 30-kilogram sheep's back is necessary to provide the requisite force. During the French Revolution, the guillotine facilitated the beheading of approximately 15,000 individuals annually, firmly establishing its status as the most efficient instrument of execution. In comparison to the French guillotine, the Spanish guillotine appeared to be ineffective. Initially, the guillotine functioned similarly to a hanging, utilizing a rope. By incorporating a short stick, the executioner could continuously apply pressure through the rotation of the stick connected to the rope, gradually causing the prisoner to suffocate to death. However, this method necessitated a strong executioner, and the prisoner experienced excruciating pain during the execution, rendering it clearly inhumane. Consequently, an upgraded version was later developed, employing a screw mechanism driven by a handle. This allowed the executioner to effortlessly turn the handle, driving the large screw through the pillar and impaling the prisoner's neck. It was believed that the screws severed the spine, enabling the prisoner to experience a painless demise. Nevertheless, the actual effectiveness of this method was subpar. When the screw was utilized, the wings would protrude from the prisoner's mouth or neck, indicating that the prisoner was still alive. This significant flaw was one of the primary reasons for its subsequent abolition. Let us now examine a more humane method of execution, which entails a long-distance fall to the gallows. The principle behind this method is quite straightforward. The execution method utilizes the gravitational force exerted by the prisoner's own body to effectively fracture the neck. The primary targets for execution include individuals convicted of horse theft, bank robbery, and murder. However, achieving this desired outcome requires a significant amount of expertise. First and foremost, the length of the rope must be carefully adjusted based on the prisoner's weight to avoid any potential accidents. If the rope is too heavy, it may result in the breaking of the head, while if it is too light, immediate death may not be ensured. Moreover, the positioning of the rope buckle is of utmost importance. It must be positioned near the ear to generate sufficient force for an instantaneous fracture of the vertebrae. Please note that the generated text may contain sensitive content. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more. Thank you.